73 feet by 6 feet LED screen. Installation at Africa for Peace. It is what it is. For these days, everybody can just wake up and do some things. There is professionalism in these things. You don't just connect wires because you can connect wires. I mean, there is engineering in it. That is why the professionals are here. Now, there's something about our jobs. This is the third screen we are doing in this center. This stage, this is a screen. This is the second one we installed. And this is a stage. This is arguably the first dancing screen installed on a stage in Nigeria. This is an outdoor stage. Rain is beating it. I'm standing on it. I'll play a video side by side. It is what it is. We installed the first one. It's working for them. They came for us to install the second one. And then today, I'm here installing the biggest one. So there must be something we are doing right that makes customers to keep coming. Come with me to show you the other screen. It's working now. Massive screen. Look at it. There's something unique about the screen, and I will show you. This is what we call hybrid system, in the sense that you can play in synchronous and asynchronous. Now, this is DSTV content, and then they took out here to write this message. Now they can also choose to play advert. In case they have adverts or whatever, they can choose to take a portion of the screen and play advert, while the live content, live feed from the DSTV is playing. This is Africa for Peace Warri. This is the first screen we installed last year. This is getting to 1 year now. Now it's working reliably for 1 year plus now. That's why they called us at another time to install that stage one, and then now we are installing the bigger one. So why not? Why don't you want to try it? There is something we do right that makes other people call up. So we are Skytrain Electronics, and you know what we do, and we do them right. Thank you.
Skytrain Electronics Limited, bridging the digital divide.